What's up, mi gente? I hope everybody's doing amazing. My name is Georgie Miller and welcome once again to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be talking about what to look for on a very good weekender bag, aka duffel bag. So we're gonna go into what to look for, the things that you're gonna be paying attention to, price point, and why it is a must-have. So you might be wondering what it is a weekender bag. So in essence, a weekender bag, again known as a duffel bag, it is one of those bags that they're not too large in size. Those are the bags that you're gonna take on a long weekend, that if you wanna put a few pieces of clothes, your toiletries, some of your makeup, a pair of shoes or two. I personally love duffel bags, especially when I'm traveling in the airport that don't have a lot of space on the up compartment. And you know how it is when you're traveling. And I like the fact that it is also stylish in essence. It kind of completes the look as well. But the trick is just to find the right quality duffel bag. Invest on leather. First of all, let's talk about the aesthetics. Let's talk about the aesthetics of a duffel bag. And there are different kinds of duffel bags, by the way. There are bags that are a little bit more structured. There's ones that are going to be more like this, more like that hobo style, more relaxed feel. This in styling here is perfect because even though that, yes, it is simple and looks very classy, it is also not too structured where it looks way too high fashion. So it's a little bit more casual and I like that. So it transitions well with a pair of jeans, with a t-shirt, whatever jacket, or you can dress it up more sophisticated with a blazer, more business. It transitions for pretty much anything. I do not like when I have a lot of logos.
Unless it has a big real Chanel logo or Louis Vuitton.
For me, simplicity is better. I know a lot of high-end brands that they will sell you a duffel bag that is not real leather, that is just made out of canvas, and it doesn't hold that much weight. When you're traveling, you want to make sure that the handles are sturdy, that this part in here, it is thick. Everything, it is finished. You don't want to see threads hanging everywhere, especially at the end of the bag. You want to make sure that it is finished and it is just not coming apart because it will unravel over time and it's not going to last. Second, you also want to play with the zipper. It is smooth or doesn't get stuck. This one, you can tell it is very smooth. See again, stitching, detail, hardware. For me right now, this tells me that it's solid. Also, how thick is the leather? If it's like that very thin leather, it's that plasticky leather, you don't want that either because why? Tell me why. It will not last, right? It will not last. Make sure that you have a very thick leather. As you use leather, it ages beautifully. It ages well and it's kind of like custom to you. So that's the advantage of having real leather.
Most quality leather bags will likely run you around $1,000 or more simply because of the high-end leather.
And you can have soft leather, don't get me wrong. You can have also, there is this type of finish on the leather. So it's almost like a little rugged. And that's what's gonna give character to your bag. There is another compartment. Play again with the zippers and make sure that at least you have one compartment inside your duffel bag or two. So in here it has these two pockets that you can put things and the zipper. So compartments are also good if you have small items in your bag, so you don't have to worry about it. Usually they come with a strap, but make sure that you have a good strap that you can also adjust to your body height. Investing on a good quality bag, you guys, it is important because that way you don't have to be spending money on replacing bags. I made that mistake before. I've been going to TJ Maxx and Ross, got the bag for a few uses and then it looks like shit and then I feel embarrassed. So you want to have a good impression. Accessories for me are so important to be high quality because it is usable. It is something that you're gonna a good investment. You're gonna be using it for pretty much forever. Leather is something that no matter what, it really lasts a long time. You can go to the website and I think you pay for it in a small fee. Not quite sure how much it is, and you can ask how you want your jacket to look like. If you want a stripe, if you want to change some detail on the hardware, that's something that they can do for you. So that's something that I truly love about the brand. This is one of my favorites. I love that color blue. I think it's absolutely beautiful. This actually was one of my first fashion collaborations on my channel. This has been over 3 years old and it looks like brand new, and I have used this a lot. I travel with this, use it for the office, all fall season last year wore it, and it looks just brand new. when you invest on good quality leather, when it starts to age, it ages beautifully. It is a thick leather that is just not bulky and those chunks that it looks just like they have cellulite. I hate that. This is a size medium. I think they run true to size, but if you want that little extra give, you can up one more size. I usually wear smalls, and I went to a medium. So if you're a medium, go to a large. What I like about this jacket is that it is cropped. Not heavy, not bulky, and it looks sleek and it looks elegant and expensive. If you have any questions about styling, about beauty, about anything, send me a message and I would love to create content that you resonate with and that you love. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up right there below. Hopefully you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, don't wait too long. Please subscribe right there below. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. I will see you next time on my channel. All right, mwah. Take care and have an amazing day. Some heat. Ah! Ow. Blooper moment. Shit.